What's up, everybody? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I grabbed the last of all their Ultra Prism Dollar Tree packs. So that's like buying 2 packs. Pretty decent. There's people in the car next to me probably like, what is this guy doing? Okay, let's open these cards up. Yeah. Yeah, boy. If I collected covers, that'd be a good one. You know what? I'm gonna start because I've seen people sell them online. Alright, so whoosh, fire energy. I don't think I'm gonna get anything. Sand slash and oh, nice. It's a rare. I didn't think I was gonna get anything. Shaman. I have my other cards here. Oh yeah, and I got 1 Yu-Gi-Oh pack. I was gonna get more because it is the ones that have the 5 cards instead of the 3 cards. I think the 3 cards Yu-Gi-Oh. I don't know. You can buy Yu-Gi-Oh cards 5 packs for about the same price as Pokemon cards. So I was like, oh cool. Dude, I'm dope, definitely. Okay. Skunk Tank. Oh my gosh, I don't have this one yet. Gibble. And Rosalita. I don't know, Roserade. I got another rare. Haha! 2 rares. Let's see what else I can get, guys. So, if you need some Pokemon art packs, let me know in the comments, because I'll definitely get you some. Ooh, I need this card too that I just pulled. I'll put this on the middle since I already talked about it. That guy. Peshiro, or however you say it. Ooh, what is that? Order pad? Uncommon? And a Chimchar. That order pad looks pretty cool. I'm going to read it. Flip a coin if heads. Search your deck for an item card. Reveal it and put it into your hand. And shuffle your deck. Huh. That's nice. It's like Amazon. Amazon for Pokemon. I could get it. I could get it. Yeah. Oh no. That's alright. Open. 1 out of 4. That's good. Alright, here we go. Butterbee? No, a Loop Bunny. Cool. Another Chimchar, different artwork. I like that artwork better. And a Lickitung. Nice. He uses flare out his butt. So pretty much just farts on you. Yep, these are all Ultra Prism, guys. Let's see if we can not rip any more of the packs. Especially the next one, because I don't have that pack yet. Alright. Low on Sandshrew. I saw it when I pulled out. Ooh, a Rotom. I forgot he's not rare in this one. And oh, a Cyrus Prism Star. Play this card if you don't have any water or steel Pokemon in play. Nice, I like that. I wonder how much that card is. I'll look it up later. Alright, guys. Don't rip this pack, please. Don't rip this pack, please. Don't rip the pack, please. Yeah, I didn't rip it. I didn't rip it. Rip it real good. There's a guy next to me staring at me. Ooh, Gibble. Grandios. And a Salazzle rare. Man, that's good. We got some good rares. Alright, last pack. Pokemon Magic. Ooh, I got a survey to do so I can win some money, so I can buy some cool stuff. I'm saving up to buy some Digimon stuff. keep forgetting my windshield wipers are on. Sorry if that's annoying. You guys are closer to it than I am. Especially sound-wise. Okay. Oh, good. 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 Here we go. Last pack magic. Ooh. Electric memory. So land it for that Salazzle I got. And oh, Turtwig. Last pack magic didn't work. Maybe we'll get a good card in here. Alright, here's my Yu-Gi-Oh! So for those Yu-Gi-Oh! Fans that were waiting, hope you don't. If you want artwork for this too, I guess you can have it. Ooh, they're first edition English cards. Okay. Guys gotta let me know in the comments if I get anything really good. Mask of Brutality, Digi, and Joe. Let me know, man. Whoa, I love the look of this card. That is so awesome looking. Skill Successor. Ooh, Silent Psychic Wizard. These are much better cards than the last one. Tutton Mask. I got 2 masks. Gale Lizard. I knew a Gale. And Mask of Brutality. I'm back at the beginning. Sorry. Skill Successor might be a good card, I assume. I don't know. I have to look at. They're all first edition. That's good. Like that. How do I tell if it's rare? Put in the comments. How do I tell if it's rare? You guys gotta let me know. Besides the fact that it's hollow. So, alright, I got some cards to put in my bucket now.